LangChain versus Llama Index. In this 2025 comparison, we'll find out which AI framework is better for building apps. Make sure to like and subscribe. First is features. LangChains offer modular tools for chaining prompts, managing memory, and connecting APIs. Llama Index focuses on indexing and querying large datasets with structured retrieval. Next is learning curve. LangChain can be complex for beginners due to its many components. Llama Index is simpler to start with but has narrower focus. Next is customization. LangChain allows deeper customization for complex multi-agent systems. Llama Index is easier if your main goal is document search and retrieval. Audience, LangChain suits developer building advanced AI application with multiple integrations. Llama Index is perfect for researchers, businesses, or anyone needing strong RAG pipelines. For its value, LangChains offers scalability but can feel heavy for simple projects. Llama Index is lightweight, efficient, and great for focused use cases. So what's the verdict? If you want broad flexibility for AI apps, pick LangChain. If your focus is development retrieval and knowledge bases, go with Llama Index. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.